Today we'll be discussing if vaccinating the children with MMR will be causing autism. So, according to the PICO elements, our population are the children. Our intervention would be the vaccination with MMR. The comparison will be between children who are vaccinated and others who are not vaccinated. And our outcome would be if it causes autism or not. So for this research, we're going to be using PubMed this time, and we're going to go to clinical queries since we're going to see the outcomes as clinical results. We're going to be clicking on etiology, and we're going to narrow our research to have more specific and less articles and searches.
Get better results.
Yes. So all we can do is type the topics, which are MMR vaccine and autism. We're gonna have the results. Okay.
So now we'll go ahead and set the limit to children. And we've gotten basically 20 results regarding whether MMR vaccine causes autism or it doesn't. Which means 20 results is a pretty good result if you want to do a quick search regarding a topic you're interested in.
And here we can see that our research includes the MASH for the MMR vaccine, as well as the MASH for the autism. So we can say that we have pretty relevant research and articles.
Now the result is pretty good, however, we're gonna try to narrow our search even more. Maybe we'll get more accurate results. So what I'm gonna do basically is to take the MASH terms and them, combine them with and in the search query. So basically, we have measles, mumps, rubella virus vaccine. We combine with and. We put the second MASH, which is autistic disorder. And go ahead and search. We've gotten 189 results. However, this is a clinical trial, so I'm interested in what the clinical trial articles show. So I go ahead and filter, and I get one result, which is an article that clearly states a correlation, if there's a correlation between the regressive phenotype of autism spectrum disorder associated with children who have been injected with measles, mumps, rubella vaccine. At the result in the abstract, it says that there was no relation. However, we did find a more accurate article. We got one result, which is a pretty good result.
And we can see other results, articles that are similar or related to our topic.